Timelines before listing a home. So a good question that I often get asked by people is, what's the timeline when they're selling? What should you expect? Well, after working with hundreds of sellers here in Central Texas, it's a great question we get asked all the time. I'm Cheryl Fowlkes, Superior Town and Country Realty. Well, we need to get the home ready for sale first. You really need to be careful not to just slap it into the MLS prior to having it show ready. Hopefully this will give you an idea of a few things you need to think about prior to letting any buyers come into your home. After we meet and you decide to list with us, I will give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, I will schedule an appointment with our stager to come over and actually give you some recommendations on exactly what you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home to get the maximum return on your investment. Don't worry, there's no additional cost to you for this service. But it's essential because research shows the importance of staging in relationship to the amount of money that you get on your home, as well as how quickly your home will sell. We can also offer partial staging of your home, and we can work with you on the cost depending on what's needed. Once your home is in show-ready condition, then we will schedule our professional photographer and videographer to come to the home and capitalize on all of the unique features of your home. And only once we have all the pictures and the videos, we will then work on all the back-end digital marketing so that we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting the most money for your home. We don't just put a sign up in the yard and put it on the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize like no other. This involves running high-end targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please note, just by putting your home on the Facebook page or on a business page, only about 3% of the people actually are going to see it. So we properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. During this time, we also talk about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going on to the multiple listing service. We will also go over all the disclosures so that you have these all available to the buyers, so when they actually come to look at your home, they're fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making any offers. Don't forget, we go into all the major sites like Zillow and Realtor.com. You name it, we're there. Now that we're live, you can actually expect agents to be calling you to take their clients through the home so they can see it. The buyers will be accompanied by their agent, so don't worry about that. Depending on the time of the year and the market conditions, that will determine how long your home will take to sell. I'm Cheryl Fowlkes, broker owner of Superior Town and Country Realty.